Assalamu alaikum students. Now we are going to start the second chapter of 6th class IT subject. Second chapter is computer network. Communication. Communication is one of the most important feature of human society. Communication is nothing but sending and receiving information. Over the period of time, mode of communication changed. In earlier days, sending information was through birds or spreading news was through beats of drum. Today, with the rapid development in the technology, communication has become fast and easier. One of the best and cheapest mode of communication is computers network. ARPANET was the first computer network used in 1969. In between four computer nodes. Later the size of network increased. Let's see. Means communication is one of the most important feature of human society. Means in the human mostly the communication is done by so many ways. But the later actually we will see the oldest way of communication was sending information through birds or spreading news was through the beats of drum. As we know, they use birds to send information from one place to another place, one person to another person. They use birds or by using beats of drum. But nowadays, instead of using these, we are using computer to communicate or computer networks. ARPANET full form is Advanced Research Project Agency Network, which was developed in 1969, and that communication made between only among only four computers. Four nodes means four computers. Later the size of network increased. We will see computer network. What is a computer network? A computer network is a set of autonomous computers interconnected with each other where they can share hardware and software. Means a computer network which share or which interconnected with each other where they can share hardware and software. Hardware means they can share their printer, their software, like if they installed an application, that application used by two or more computers. In computer network, each computer has its own operating system. A computer network is the most efficient mode of communication which is very cost effective for long distance, short distance means within the same premises. One can observe these types of sharing of computer preference in supermarket or in office where one printer or scanner is shared by all the people of office. Similarly, the software also one copy of software is loaded in one computer and everyone can access that. It saves space and money. So why the reason we are using network? The main reason is save space and save money, because if we have 100 peoples and they all need printers, so it is not possible, means it is very cost effective if you want to provide printer for 100 peoples. If we share one or two printers or some printers to that peoples, it will decrease the expenses of money. Today, next we will see, today even one can access the desktop or hard disks of another computer through the internet. One document simultaneously can be accessed or worked at a time by different people through the net. That saves the time and share thoughts at a time. Now we can see that the main use of network is, now we can share the desktop or hard disk. Hard disk means memory of computer through the internet or through the network. In recent time, most of the organization are using computer to store information electronically, and they share information electronically, and they share information among them in different offices in various city through the internet. That saves times and no need of paper files. That way it saves money for stationery and postal charges, etc. Means by using internet or network, it saves the time as well as money also. What are the components of network? We will see. Whenever computer are connected in network, both software and hardware components are required. Like desktop, whenever computer are connected in a network, both software and hardware components are required, है ना. Whenever we want to, whenever we have connected to our computer with another computer, we required hardware and software, both components. Like laptop, personal computer, cables, routers, modems, OS network, drive, protocols, etc. Server computer actually, it is a very important computer. Means it is a main computer which has the connection of different nodes. Let's see, this is also a PC stand for personal computer, but comparatively fast and with the higher capacity, which is connected to all desktops and provides service and share software and other devices with client computers. Server is the main computer which connected to the client computers, and it shares all the information what it has. Then we will say NIC stand for network interface card. This card actually is used to connect the computer network through the line cable. This card is inserted into the motherboard of computer and network cable is connected to it. This is the kind of card which already inserted on the motherboard of the computer. Network cable. Simply we can say that cable means it is a kind of wire. Cable connects the user computer to network. These cables are path to pass information from one computer to another computer. In local area network means LAN. Three types of cables are used. In LAN we use three types of cables. The name of that cables are twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and fiber optic cable. What is twisted pair cable? It is very cheapest cable, means in the cost, and easy to install and used maximum in different places. These cables are twisted to reduce the electrical interfaces. These are the cheapest and easy to install comparatively other cables like coaxial cable and fiber optic cable. Then we will see coaxial cable. These cables are made up of copper. Coaxial cable is made up of copper, and they are like what we use for cable, TV cable. As we see, we have at our home TV cable. That is the example of coaxial cable. It has higher capacity to carry the message. This is comparatively expensive than the twisted pair cable. Now we will see fiber optic cable. Fiber optic cable. These cables are used for long distance and high speed data transmission. If you want to transfer your data with high speed, and if you have a long distance, at that time you will use fiber optic cable. It is very expensive and difficult to install. It is very expensive cable and very difficult to install. Then we will see software. We need specific software for the network. The software are like NOS, means network operating system. This software manage operations of network and different user connected to network, and most popular network OS means operating system used are Windows NT, Windows XP, Linux, Novell Network. These are the examples of network operating systems which used in the networking. Second, communication protocols. Protocols means rules, procedure. Protocol is a set of rules which allows the communication between the computer and devices in a network. To communicate on a network, both devices should follow the same protocols. Means if you want to communicate with one device to another device, both devices should be follow the protocols of the network. Third, network driver. Each network has their different drivers. Without drivers, no network will work properly. This software is installed on all the computer connected to the network. After that, we will see the types of networks. These three types of networks are very important. In the types of networks, we will see there are three main types of networks like LAN, MAN and WAN. Local area network, metropolitan area network and wide area network. Local area network means which is available in a premises or in a particular buildings. This network is called local area network, which connected to the computer with LAN cable. Metropolitan area network, this type of network is bigger than the LAN, means it is bigger than the LAN network. Connects the computer across a city. Example computer of all branches of a bank, shops, malls located in a city. Means this network is used to connect computer in within the city. Wide area network, it is very large network of a computer which is spread in all over the country also. Wide WAN is thus create data transmission worldwide. Interconnect Internet is the best example of WAN. Means internet is the best example of WAN. We can connect our computer from all over the world, from any countries. We can see the structure in this image like LAN structure, MAN structure and WAN structure. Server and client. Server and client, this is a very important concept. We should understand server is the computer system which provides service to all the other computers. That other computer is also known as client, connected to it in a network. This is simple computer with a great speed and good storage capacity. A client in a network is also a computer on a network that asks to get the services from the server. Server always gives the responses to the clients, and client always requests to the server to access information. Database server. Database server means which has the data of all the clients, which store the data in a large amount. It is called a database server. Example of database servers are MS Outlook, Oracle software, Google and Yahoo search engine. So these are the examples of database server which store the data in large amount. Application server means which provide the storage service to the applications. And for example, we have created an application and we want a space on the server, so we can buy this space. It is called application server. Example like MS Windows 2008, Java, Anidra are examples of application server which providing service to the applications holders. Web server, this is a computer provides web pages and files clients web browser through HTTP. HTTP stand for hypertext transfer protocol. Mail server provide the service for emailing. Means if you want to send an email, if you want to receive email, that all emails is stored on the network. After that, we will see the topology. There are different types of topology like bus topology, ring topology, star topology, extended star, hierarchical or mesh topology. Means we can arrange our computer